In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download from Google Drive to a hard drive. First, you'll want to open your web browser. If you're using Google Chrome, look to the top right corner of your browser window. Here you will see a grid of dots. This is the Google Apps icon. By clicking on this icon, you can easily access various Google services, including Google Drive. This step is important because it sets the stage for accessing your files stored in the cloud. Once you click the icon, a menu will appear showing you all the available apps. Now from that menu, you will need to click on the Drive option. This action directs you to your Google Drive where all your files and folders are stored. You may see documents, spreadsheets, and other files that you have uploaded or created. This step is crucial because it allows you to navigate to the specific files you want to download. Once you click on Drive, it will open, displaying your stored items clearly on the screen. Next, look to the top right corner again. You will see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon for additional options. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains various settings and features that can help you manage your Google Drive more effectively. Accessing this menu is an essential step because it allows you to customize your download preferences, ensuring a smoother experience when transferring files. After that, from the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This action will take you to a new window where you can adjust several aspects of your Google Drive experience. The Settings menu is where you can fine-tune how your Google Drive functions, including download options and notifications. It is important to familiarize yourself with this section, as it can greatly enhance your efficiency in managing files. Once you're in the Settings menu, the next step is to click on Downloads. This section specifically pertains to how you handle files when downloading them from Google Drive. Here you can set preferences that suit your workflow. Adjusting these settings can save you time later, as they help automate parts of the download process. After clicking Downloads, you will see various options related to file handling. Now you will turn on the option that says Ask where to save each file before downloading. This setting is particularly useful because it prompts you to choose a destination for each file, ensuring that you can easily select your external hard drive. This little change makes your downloads more organized and efficient. Once you toggle this option on, you will be ready for the next steps in the process. At this point, navigate back to Google Drive and locate the file or folder you wish to download. To do this, right-click on the item. A context menu will appear, giving you several options to choose from. Selecting Download from this menu will initiate the file transfer process. This step is critical because it directly leads to the downloading of your chosen content. Once you click Download, your browser will prepare the file for downloading. When the File Explorer window pops up, look at the left sidebar. Here you will see a list of locations on your computer. Find and select your external hard drive from this list. This action is vital as it determines where your downloaded files will be stored. Once you select your hard drive, be sure to click the Save button. This final click confirms your choice, ensuring that your files are safely transferred to your external hard drive. With that done, you will see a confirmation indicating that your download was successful. And there you have it. You are now equipped with all the steps to efficiently download files from Google Drive to your hard drive.